Hello, my name is Evie and today I will show you how to make a cute standing pencil case. Don't worry if this is one of your first projects. I will guide you step by step. This channel is perfect for those who want to learn to sew but don't know where to start. This is the standing pencil case we will make today. Look how roomy it is. It will fit a lot of pencils and pens and will neatly close in seconds. It will become a staple for carrying them around. I choose 100% cotton and natural calico for durability and cuteness. You will need 45 cm zipper. When you print your pattern, please check if the small square in the top right corner measures exactly 1 inch to ensure all the sizes are correct. Cut all pattern pieces. Then cut the patterns from chosen fabric. I like to use rotary cutter, but you can use scissors if you prefer. We will need 2 main pieces, 2 lining pieces, 2 fusible interfacing pieces. I used medium weight for this project, and 1 pull cover piece. Iron them well. Attach the interfacing to the wrong side of the outer fabric sections. For fusible interfacing, please press the iron and hold for few seconds to melt the adhesive into the fabric. Line the zipper to the curved side of the main fabric and clip it in place. Lay the lining right side down on the top of the clipped zipper and add it to the clip to make a zipper sandwich. Use a zipper foot to sew it, following the curve of interfacing for a nice shape. When both sides are done, let's sew the bottom edge of the main fabric pieces together, right sides together. Please do the same with the lining. Next, sew the back of the main fabric together all the way. The lining is a bit tricky, so 5 to 7 centimeters from the bottom. Just this piece. Clip the corners like that. Please take your time with this step. Now sew them with the straight stitch and cut all loose threads. To clean the edges, use pinking shears. It will reduce the bulk. Now sew top of the lining, just this little piece on the top. Using the hole in the lining, turn the back right side out, working slowly to avoid ripping your stitches. Using your fingers or chopstick, press out the bottom corners from the inside to make them as square as possible. This will create a flat bottom on the back. If the bottom isn't right, turn it back inside out, rip out the stitches in the wrong spot and resew. The zipper should be sticking out past the end of the back when turned right side out. Now close the lining with clips and stitch with the machine or by hand. You can sew this bead by hand and leave it as it is, or switch to a zipper foot and top stitch the sides like that. However, top stitching is a bit trickier. Now iron the back truly, especially the bottom if you want very sharp edges. For the pull, iron it to create a shape perfect for your zipper, and then clip it. Now leave it clipped to cool down. Then sew with a straight stitch to attach it to the end of the zipper. You can make the zipper as short or as long as you like. You finished! Look how cute it turned out. This is truly a very spacious pencil case. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this tutorial and found it helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel for more fun and easy sewing projects. Happy sewing and see you next time!